Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Flow, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It is a beautiful day to be here with you.
It really is, Kevin. I am feeling very happy today. How are you feeling?
I am feeling good, but I am also a little bit nervous
Nervous? Why are you nervous?
because of our topic today. In our last video, I got a new job.
Yes, you are now an office assistant. That is great news.
It is great, but today is Monday. It is my first day at work.
I understand. You have the first day jitters.
Jitters? What is that?
It means you are scared or nervous before a big event.
Yes, I am scared. What if I make a mistake? What if I don't know what to do?
Don't worry, Kevin. Everyone is scared on the first day. It is normal.
The title of today's chat is My First Day at Work.
We will learn how to introduce yourself, how to talk to new people, and how to use the office phone.
That is exactly what I need.
But before we start, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, please. If you like learning English with us, please click the like button and subscribe to English Daily Flow.
It helps us a lot.
And share this video with a friend who has a new job.
Okay, Kevin, are you ready to go to the office?
I think so. I have my bag, I have my lunch, I am wearing my best shirt.
Let's start the story. Imagine it is Monday morning. It's 8:30 a.m.
I arrive at the office building. It is very big and tall.
What time does your job start?
It starts at 9 a.m., but I am early.
That is very good. Always be early on your first day.
I walk inside. I see a desk. It is the reception desk.
Go to the receptionist, smile, and say hello.
She looks at me. Good morning. Can I help you?
What do you say?
Good morning. My name is Kevin Jones. Today is my first day. I am here to see Mr. Smith.
Welcome, Kevin. Mr. Smith knows you are coming. I need to take your photo
My photo? Why?
for your security badge.
What is a security badge?
It is a card. It has your name and photo. You use it to open the doors.
Oh, okay. I smile for the camera. Click.
She gives me the card. Here is your badge. You can go to the 5th floor.
I put the badge on my shirt. I feel like a professional.
You take the elevator to the 5th floor. The doors open.
Mr. Smith is waiting. He is my boss.
Good morning, Kevin. Welcome to the team.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. Thank you.
Come with me. I will show you your desk.
We walk into the office. There are many desks. There are many computers.
This is your desk, Kevin.
It is nice. I have a computer and a phone.
Get comfortable. I will come back later. He leaves.
I sit down in my chair. It is soft.
Look next to you. There's a woman. She is typing on her computer.
She stops. She looks at me.
Say hello.
Hi.
Hi, you are the new employee, right?
Yes, my name is Kevin.
Nice to meet you, Kevin. I'm Sarah. I sit next to you.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
If you need help, just ask me.
Thank you. I will need a lot of help.
She smiles. She is friendly.
Now Mr. Smith comes back. Kevin, turn on your computer.
You press the button, the screen turns on.
It asks for a password.
Do you have the password?
No, I don't know it.
Ask Sarah.
Excuse me, Sarah.
Yes?
I don't know the password. Do you know it?
Yes. For new people, it is welcome 1.
Thank you. I type it. It works.
Good job. Now Mr. Smith says, Kevin, come to the meeting room.
A meeting? Already?
Yes, bring your notebook.
We go to a big room with a big table. Everyone is sitting there.
Sit down. Be quiet.
I sit in a chair. I am nervous.
Mr. Smith speaks. Everyone, this is Kevin. He is new here.
Everyone looks at me. Oh no.
Kevin, please stand up. Tell us about yourself.
I have to speak? Okay, I stand up.
Just say your name and say you are happy.
Hello everyone. My name is Kevin. I am the new assistant. I am very happy to be here.
That is perfect.
Everyone says, "Welcome, Kevin." They smile.
You sit down. Good job. The meeting is long. They talk about business numbers. I don't understand. Just listen. Write notes in your book.
I write, "Learn the job."
The meeting ends. Mr. Smith says, Kevin, take a break. Go get some coffee.
I love coffee. I go to the kitchen.
It's a small room. There's a coffee machine. Sarah is there.
I want to talk to her. I want to make a friend.
Yes, we call this small talk. Talk about simple things.
Like what?
Talk about the weather or travel.
Okay. Hi, Sarah.
Hey, Kevin. How is your first day?
It is good, but there is a lot to learn.
Don't worry. You will learn fast.
How do you come to work? Do you drive?
No, I take the train. How about you?
I take the bus. The traffic was bad today.
Yes, traffic is always bad in the morning.
Is this coffee free?
Yes, drink as much as you want.
That is great.
Kevin, do you have lunch plans?
No, I have a sandwich.
We are going to eat in the park. Do you want to come?
Yes, please. Thank you.
See, now you have friends for lunch.
I am happy. Lunch was fun. We ate sandwiches and talked.
Now it is 2 p.m. You are back at your desk.
I am working on the computer. Suddenly, ring ring.
The phone rings. It is your desk phone.
I look at it. I am scared to answer.
You must answer it, Kevin. It is your job.
But what do I say?
Say the company name and your name.
Okay, I pick it up. Hello? Global Company, Kevin speaking.
Very good.
Hello, is Mr. Smith there?
Who is calling, please?
This is Mr. Bond.
One moment, please. I will transfer you.
I press the button. The call goes to Mr. Smith.
You did it. You answered the phone.
My hands are shaking a little bit, but I did it.
Now, Mr. Smith gives you a paper. Kevin, please copy this paper.
Okay, I go to the copier machine.
It is a big machine.
I put the paper inside. I press the green button.
Whir, crack. The machine stops. A red light flashes.
Oh no, I broke it.
It is a paper jam. The paper is stuck.
What do I do?
Open the door. Take the paper out.
I open it. I pull the paper. Rip. Okay, it is out.
Close the door.
Whir. It works again. Phew.
You are learning fast.
The day goes by. I work hard.
Now it is 5 p.m. People are leaving.
Can I go home?
Ask Sarah.
Sarah, is it time to go?
Yes, it is 5 o'clock. We can go home now.
Okay. Goodbye, Sarah.
You say goodbye to Mr. Smith.
Goodbye, Mr. Smith. See you tomorrow.
Good job today, Kevin.
I walk out of the office. I am tired.
How do you feel?
I feel happy. I survived day 1.
You did great. You met Sarah. You answered the phone. You fixed the copier.
It was not so scary.
I'm proud of you.
Let's look at the new words we learned today.
Yes. Vocabulary review.
Security badge.
The card with your photo to open doors.
Colleague.
A person you work with. A friend at work.
Password.
The secret word to open your computer.
Meeting.
When people sit together to talk about work.
Small talk.
Talking about simple things like weather.
Paper jam.
When paper gets stuck in the machine.
Transfer.
moving a phone call to another person.
I know these words now.
Excellent. So, Kevin, day 1 is finished.
Yes, but tomorrow is day 2.
Tomorrow, we need to practice the phone more.
Why?
Today, you answered one call, but you were scared.
Yes, talking on the phone is hard. I cannot see the person's face.
We need to learn special phrases for business calls.
What is our next video?
Our next video is Talking on the Phone.
That is good. I want to sound professional.
We will learn how to take a message and how to book an appointment.
Perfect.
But first, question of the day.
We want to hear from you.
Do you remember your first day at a new job?
Was it scary?
Did you make a mistake?
Did you make a new friend?
Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for helping me today.
Please like this video if you learned something new.
And subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.